Hello guys, welcome to Wasted Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to upload to your Instagram account from your desktop. Now first let's log into our Instagram account. And now as you can see, the desktop interface of the Instagram doesn't allow direct upload to your Instagram account. You can only view or make changes to your profile, explore, search and read your messages. So now you can press F12 key on the keyboard if you are using Windows, or you can come to the options here, then to more tools, then developer tools. Now in the developer tools we have the element console sources, then we have the toggle device toolbar here. So what this does is that it helps you to change between the various devices that we have, from the desktop to tablet then to mobile. So we are going to change it to the mobile interface here. So this is the mobile interface. Then when you come here, we have the various devices here. So we are going to leave it at iPhone 6, or you can choose any of the devices here. So now this is the mobile device, but we can still see the desktop interface. So we are going to refresh the page for it to load the mobile interface. So now we have our mobile interface here with the various buttons as it is on the mobile app. So we are going to click on the add new post or upload a post here. So we are going to locate our image. In my case, mine is in the downloads folder. So I will navigate to the downloads folder. Then I select my image to be uploaded. So now this is the image I want to upload. I want to fit it to the content. Okay, then you click next. Then you write your caption for your post. I have some post here. So you write your caption. Then once you are done, you click share. If you want to tag people, you can tag people, add location, just like you would use the mobile app too. So well, as you can see, we have just uploaded our post to the Instagram account. So you can add as many posts as you want. So basically this is how to upload to Instagram from your computer. I hope you've learned something. So you can subscribe to our page for more videos and more computer hacks.